Hey guys, welcome to Aussie 4-wheelers for another vlog, and today we're doing a little bit of flex ramp testing with our mate Luke.
How you going, guys?
He brought his car, and Luke, what's your expectation? What were your expectations? What the results? How you feel about it? How you did?
I didn't expect it to be that good.
Mark's spotting him up the ramp. Wow, man, you're going to reach the top. Now, back's lifted.
That'll be the highest truck with a sway bar on it.
Yeah.
That's a big sway bar. They go up to like 45.
You're 1190 high. And that's with the sway bar connected. Superior sway bar.
Right, I'll come down and we'll get the sway bar out.
Yeah, disconnect the sway bar and see what it does after that.
We did try a few different ways, didn't we? Tried driving up, sway bar in, we've reversed back down, disconnected the sway bar, we drove back up, we took some notes to see how much difference it made. There's a little bit of difference.
Now run without the re-sway bar. Let's see how that goes.
I do run a Superflex sway bar, so it's obviously a little bit more advanced than a normal one. I'm not right up there in engineering, I don't know how it works, physics, I'll probably get up superior. Try a little.
Eyes off. A bit back. Yeah. Wow. So your height's gone up to 1225 now. You can go a little bit more. Keep it coming. Alright, hold there. I think the rear is just... It's just on the ground.
So the arms are limiting a bit, eh? I reckon
Okay, look where you are. Where your tread first came up to the top.
Yeah.
The first time with the sway bar on, now your middle is there.
Wow.
That's how much you went for. So your height is 1325. Going off the brush. 1325. Wow, that's increased heaps. 1325, and your average is 26, 50. Increase.
So we also then turned the car around. We did fine with the car turned around. Yep.
Good guidance. Wow, man. look at the flex.
We've got further up the ramp, as you can see.
Yeah. He's freaking climbing all the way up.
So this is how it ended up. So while we were here today was guard clearance. I noticed I have had a few bits of rubbing with the 40s on, so we had a look at where I have to trim a bit more, put on the ramp. We can now see where it's hitting. I'm going to go home, make a few adjustments before we leave. Overall, am I happy with it? We cannot be happy with that. It works good. I built it the way I wanted it, and that's my outcome. So we're rolling on 37s today. Obviously you've probably seen me. I usually run 40s on the tracks, but fortunately we're on the road today, so they stay at home.
Thank you very much, Luke. This was just a quick vlog on the flexing, just to show you how this car performs. Actually even didn't reach the full potential of the flex because we ran out of a 30-degree ramp, believe it or not. And obviously the car, when it's off-road, when it's got interposing ruts, it flexes much better. But we just ran out of the ramp in reverse, and that's all we wanted to test. We'll thank Easy Tens and Mark for
using the ramp,
for
letting us come here,
yeah,
enjoying him,
yes,
and make him move everything so we can get the ramp out. It's good.
I hope you guys like this vlog, and let us know in the feedback in the comments below, and see you next time.
Yep, ciao. We'll never get it finished.
Right, then this, then the rain.
There's people behind you being an idiot.
Are you serious? I was going to thank Mark for letting us come down and use the ramp here at Easy 10, but I don't know anymore.
Hey.
Oh. He's gone. I thought he's gone. just before
We realised that while going forwards, they weren't compressing or...
Yeah, we noticed the rear was working more. Damn. You have to edit it.
It's alright.
We'll never get it finished.